Hi guys, it's your girl Casey Artist. I'm back with another video. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of your girl? Back to back posting. Listen, I'm proud of me. Let me tell you something. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to do a little unboxing slash review. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Stay for a while. Like, comment, and share. And to all my subbies, thank y'all so much for rocking with your girl. Let me get right into this video because let me tell you something. My birthday is July 22nd. I'm a Cancer gang gang. Yes. But obviously it is way past July 22nd. Still in July though. I'm celebrating all the way up to July 31st. Okay. All right. That's how we do. Normally I go on big trips for my birthday, but this year I kept it real low key. Just went to dinner because I actually worked on my birthday. Can't believe I did that. But you know what? My wife made up for it. Okay. All right. But yeah, never again though. I would never work on my birthday. I will have the day before, the day of, and the day after off, at least the bare minimum. I don't care if I'm not going anywhere or not. But yeah, I didn't know where I wanted to go because like Arizona's been calling my mind, but I don't want to go to Arizona during the hot weather because I hate heat. So, and we're going on a big cruise in September. So I'm just like, I can stay here. But yeah. Anyways, I worked for my birthday. I went out to dinner. And then when the weekend came along, I went to my wife took me out today to get some goodies, a bag that I've been wanting to have forever. And go out to eat. We ate at the Cheesecake Factory. Listen, Cheesecake Factory never did nothing wrong with me. Okay. Every time I go there, I always find something new to eat and it be good for me. Okay. So I was really happy. My outfit is really cute. How? I got this from Amazon. I think I should do a little short video of the full look. I did post pictures, but well, I'm gonna post pictures. But anyways, so we shopped at Coach, y'all. Coach. Listen, Coach is still that girl. Always been that girl. Always been that girl. I know some people abandoned Coach, but I never did. I love me some Coach. Always have. I grew up loving Coach, and if you know anything about luxury items and leather goods, you know Coach is that girl. Okay, I love me some Coach. Um, so I've been wanting this bag. My wife got me a bag, and I treated myself to a little wallet. So what should I start off first? I'm gonna start off with the wallet first. Um, this is my first time unboxing it right now. I didn't even open it at the store. Like I was just like, I want to do it on camera. I want y'all to see my reaction. So I did see the wallet. Like she got it online and we had it picked up in the store. So the wallet, what kind of wallet I got? So I didn't get. I'm believe it or not, I'm not a huge fan of like bulky big wallets. Even though I have tons, I have like Louis Vuitton big wallets that are brand new that I don't wear at all because I don't really carry much stuff. Like I have what 6 cards at ID, 5 or 6 cards at ID. That's it. That's it. And I don't carry cash. I'm not a cash girly. My wife is a cash girly. I don't really go nowhere to be carrying cash. Right. I work from home, so with that being said, I was like, I want a cute little, a card holder because that's what I've been rocking. I have like a card holder that I got from Amazon years ago, which I really, really love. It's really cute. And then I got a Louis Vuitton card holder that's what I currently am rocking and using. So I was like, with my bag, let me get, but I'm actually upset and I feel like maybe I should return this because when I went into the store, they had the colors to match the bag. So I'm just like, ugh. But it's okay. It's okay. So let me see. Card holder. Oh yeah, I just got the essential card holder. Nothing too fancy. All right, so let me unbox it right now. Oh, it's so lovely. I like the burnt orange color. But yeah. Okay, okay. Fancy, fancy. Okay, they double wrapping it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, coach. Okay, associate. Oh, this one is a little bit more. Oh no, it's the same. You know what? Let me just do this. Oh, so this is what I got. Really cute. She's that girl. Definitely will have my cards. The C. So I got the gold C. Um, and this is really cute. This is definitely gonna be worn. I'm gonna swipe this out for my Louis for this. This is definitely gonna be worn a lot. But yeah, you put a bunch of cards. I stack my cards up like in all my slots. And then this is for if you want to carry some money or put more in there. And it's simple, it's cute. This is the essential card case and it's only $75. It's real genuine leather. Let's see the material. It's a pebble leather, obviously. You see? I love pebble leather. I love like you can't go wrong with pebble leather. And yeah, I like this. Ooh, okay. And I actually ordered another Coach bag, and I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. It should be here really soon because I expedited it. So I'm gonna do a whole other boxing for that. But let's get to the big boy. So I've been wanting the tabby for a hot minute. Now, when the pillow tabby came about, I've been wanting the pillow tabby. But then when I saw the quilted tabby, I was gagged. I was like, I want. Now they had three sizes, I think three or four sizes. I'm not a big bag girly. So the smallest size, I felt like it was just maybe a little bit too small for me for the small size, and I was shocked. I was like, hmm. So I didn't get the smaller size. I got the bag, the tabby shoulder bag 20. Um, so let's get it. Let's get into it. Ooh, my camera I feel like it's about to die soon. But it should be a quick review. But yeah, ooh, it matches my outfit. I should repurpose these. Put like a bow in my hair or something. Ooh, a card. Aw. My wife left me a little note. So happy birthday, my beautiful wife. In every lifetime, I choose you, Love Ren. So sweet. That's so sweet. Thank you, baby. Thank you, boo. Thank you, boo. All right. So listen, she did good. Okay, listen. I knew it was those. I knew I was getting it. You know what I'm saying? So I was just like, she was like, "What do you want?" I was like, "I want this." She's like, "Okay, I gotta go get it." Oh, she's small. She's small, but like small and mighty in a good way. Comes with the dust bag. Okay, quality dust bag. I see you. Oh, I can't wait. What color y'all think I got? What y'all think I got? Oh my God. Look at the black on black. I don't have a full black on black bag. So the quilted tabby is made of the softest leather. I believe it is what's the leather? Hold on. Oh, Napa leather. So you gotta be extra careful. Now, I know some of the girlies was upset about them you know, what you call it, the leather damaging. First of all, I take really good care of my bags. I have authentic leather bags and well, also just bags in general, and for years, and they're still like look like they're new, right? So I know how to take care of my bags. But if you're gonna get this, I ordered because they didn't have it in the store. I did order the condition and the cleaner. I think the moisturizer and the cleaner. I did order that, so that should be coming with the other bag that I got. But yeah, so ooh, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, so look, it comes with two slots. Hold on, let me take this stuff out. Let me take some of this stuff out, this stuffing out. So a lot of people were upset that they feel like it's not enough room because of the insert that you can't remove, the divider I should say, that you can't remove, but this is perfect. This is the perfect size for me. Like I said, I carry mainly like my phone, keys, my card holder, lip gloss, baby lotion. That's it. But I like this. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh, and then look at the inside. Okay, let me take some of this stuffing out. Hold on. I mean, not stuffing, but ooh, y'all, my light is about to go. My light is about to go, but I got it off. Voila! Look how cute this bag is. Come on. So obviously it could be a shoulder bag, right? Could be a shoulder bag. Let's see. I'm 5'8", y'all. So this is how it stands on me, right? Or it could be a crossbody, right? I love versatility. Come on, versatility. Look. Oh, this is cute. Definitely gonna rock this as a crossbody because I'm obsessed with crossbody bags. But the chain is good quality. Not too heavy, but not too light. So it comes with a back slit. I don't know how much use the back slit will get, in my opinion. Um, Probably maybe some gum. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is so cute. Let's see. Obviously it can fit my phone. Oh, and then a front slit. So you get a front slit, right? Front flap slit. Then obviously a divider for front and back. Like I said, people were upset that they don't really have that much room, but this is perfect for me. And then the back. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use the back too much, but phone in here. Let me open up the wallet. So I wanted the black on black, and when I went to the store, the black on black was there. So I'm like, oh man, I can't believe it was there. But yeah, see? And then I have headphones, my keys. This is perfect. Perfect size. I absolutely love the hardware. You see, I don't know if y'all can see this coming up on camera, but the Coach logo right there. Well, print and then the logo. Oh yeah. This is really beautiful. So this retails about, let's see, Big Spender wifey. Let me stop. But this retails for $3.95 for the 20. So yeah, this is a perfect size. So if this is your go-to, your size, y'all, get you one. Get you. I think I'm gonna put a link in this video. I'm gonna put a link of this video of this bag because this, but like I said, you got to make sure you get the leather cleaner, the conditioner, the moisturizer, because this is the most softest leather. Okay. So, and then I heard through the grapevine that if you get the white one, if you wear denim, it's gonna transfer on the white one. So that's just a warning, you know what I'm saying? So do what you will with that information. But so far, first impression, 10 out of 10. And I'm happy about this. Thank you, baby, so much. Okay, because like I said, I've been wanting this. And I could have bought it myself, but you know what? It's even more special to have somebody buy it for you. Period. You know what I'm saying? So send this to your boo and be like, Casey sent me. You know what I'm saying? But this is so cute. I love. Oh my God. Now I'm like, should I get another color? No, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Because let me show you the next bag. So when you see another video, you're gonna see an unboxing of the next one because I'm so happy I got that bag. But yeah. Ooh. Now I feel like I want to go and get the wallet, the card, the black on black. Should I get, leave it in the comments, let me know. Should I get the black on black or should I just keep it right there? I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Well, you know what? It doesn't hurt to have both. And it's affordable. You know what I'm saying? For genuine leather, affordable. I like this. Okay, yeah, I wouldn't put that back there. So yeah, I honestly don't even know what I would use in this back slot. Don't know. Maybe like a lip gloss, a lip balm, something. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. All right, tell me what y'all think in the comments of this video. Are you gonna buy it? Do you have one? What do you think about Coach? Like I said, Coach is that girl. I'm always gonna be a Coach girly. Always. Give me Coach any day. Period. Well, I really like this a lot. Anyway, all right. If you made it all the way to this, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you might as well be a part of this tribe, be a part of this family, and subscribe. And until next time, deuces. Say happy birthday to me, even though it's not my birthday anymore, but say happy birthday anyways. Bye.